One of my favorite teaching stories here at CodeWizards has been a group of my students that I've had for 2 courses now. And from the very beginning of the first course, they all decided that they wanted to change their virtual Zoom backgrounds to match our lesson of the day, which has been really, really fun. So they come in really excited asking, what are we learning today? So then they can quickly look up a photo that matches the project. So we've done a space theme where we all change our background to have some sort of outer space. We've done an underwater theme, so we all look like maybe we're in an aquarium or under the sea. We've done a mathematics theme, a treasure hunt theme, all kinds of fun stuff. So not only are they enthusiastic about it, but they also participate really well. And honestly, they are what makes teaching here so much fun.